Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Hibernate option not showing in Power Options on your Windows PC. If you only see Sleep and Lock, don't worry, here's the easiest fix. First, click on Start and search for Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Now type this command, powercfg/hibernate on, then press Enter. In most cases, the Hibernate option will appear instantly without restarting your PC. But if it's still not showing, just restart your computer once. Now go to Power Options, click Choose what the power buttons do, then click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now you will see the Hibernate option available to enable. If the option is still missing, open Command Prompt as Administrator again. Now type this command, powercfg/h/type full, and press Enter. This will force Windows to enable full Hibernate support. After that, restart your PC. You should now see the Hibernate option available to enable. That's it. Your Hibernate option should now be working perfectly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and fixes.